In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem of missed call notifications that won't go away on your iPhone. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom until you see Apps. Now tap on Apps. At the bottom, you'll find a search bar. Tap on it and type in Phone. Select the Phone app from the search results. Next, tap on Notifications. This will take you to all notification settings for your phone app. Look for the switch next to Badges. Toggle this switch off. After turning off Badges, it's time to restart your iPhone. A quick reboot can often solve minor glitches like this one. Once your device has restarted, head back into Settings again. Repeat the earlier steps by navigating back to Apps and selecting the Phone app once more. Tap on Notifications again and toggle that switch next to Badges back on. This refreshes the notification system for your phone app. If those steps didn't resolve the issue, there's another method worth trying. Open up the phone app directly from your home screen. At the bottom of your screen, tap on Recents. Now look at the top of this page and select Missed. Here you'll see all missed calls listed. To remove these notifications completely, delete any missed calls listed here. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.